Norway is known for its breathtaking natural landscapes, charming towns, and picturesque fjords. Here are 10 of the most beautiful places in Norway. Fjord. Located in western Norway, Fjord is a UNESCO World Heritage Site known for its stunning fjord landscapes, waterfalls, and steep mountainsides. Lofoten Islands. This archipelago in northern Norway offers dramatic scenery with its rugged mountains, pristine beaches, and traditional fishing villages. Preikestolen, Pulpit Rock. Situated near Stavanger, Preikestolen is a popular hiking destination known for its iconic cliff that overlooks the Lyse Fjord. Trolltunga, Troll's Tongue. Located in Hordaland County, Trolltunga is a rock formation jutting out horizontally above a breathtaking fjord, offering incredible panoramic views. Bergen. Known as the gateway to the fjords, Bergen is a picturesque city surrounded by 7 mountains. It features colorful wooden houses, a historic waterfront, and the UNESCO-listed Bryggen district. Tromsø. Located in northern Norway, Tromsø is a vibrant city known for its stunning Arctic landscapes, the northern lights, and outdoor activities like dog sledding and snowmobiling. Orlandsfjord. A branch of the Sognefjord, Orlandsfjord is renowned for its serene beauty, deep blue waters, and the charming village of Flam. Hardangerfjord. As the second longest fjord in Norway, Hardangerfjord showcases picturesque orchards, cascading waterfalls, and a diverse natural landscape. Senja. Often referred to as Norway's second largest island, Senja offers breathtaking landscapes with its rugged mountains, white sandy beaches, and picturesque fishing villages. Oslo. Norway's capital city, Oslo, combines a vibrant urban atmosphere with stunning natural surroundings. It boasts attractions like the Oslo Opera House, Vigeland Sculpture Park, and the beautiful waterfront of Aker Brygge. These are just a few examples of the many beautiful places to explore in Norway. The country is full of natural wonders and scenic landscapes that will leave you in awe.